This is how to change the key fob battery on your Mini 1 key, what is at the moment the new style Mini key. Mini logo on the back. You're going to need a very small screwdriver, a CR2032 battery. So we're going to start, take the key blade out, push the silver button in, pull that out, releases the key blade, and then on the back we need to take this panel off here that says Mini. So get your little screwdriver, slot it in there, and that pops up. There you go. Next thing, we need this piece out here. So again, with a little screwdriver in there, and then simply just a little bit of pressure on the handle, it pops out, revealing your CR2032. Pop that out, get your new one, pop it in, and then using this, you can see there's a little tab just there. That needs to go in first. Slot it down, oop, missed. Slide it in, and then click. At this point it's a good idea just to check that the key blade goes back in, because as you can see that slides through and holds it all in place. And then pop your cover back on, clickety click, pop your key blade back in. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.